So, you know what? If it's not the right time, I'm going to tell you that. Maybe if you wait a month and there's going to be an interest rate drop or something's going to affect the market, maybe that's a better time and you'll be able to get more for your equity. Obviously, you've been in your house for a really long time. You've worked hard. You've paid those mortgage payments and now you want it to pay off so you could do something with that equity. Now, Jen, I believe, has ways of tapping into that equity. So, Jen, how do they tap into the equity so maybe they don't want to sell?
Yeah, so if the sellers don't want to sell or choose not to sell at this time, they can always pull a home equity line of credit or a HE loan, which is a fixed second, and they can access the equity and use for home improvement or maybe to buy an investment property. Whatever they should choose to do, we have the product to help them.
And what are the rates on those HELOCs and HE loans?
That's a great question. So that is price specific. You must call me in order to price one out for you depending on your equity and your credit score.
So a HE loan and a HELOC, what's the difference?
So a HELOC is typically an interest-only second mortgage, and a HE loan is a fixed for a certain term, maybe 5, 10, 15, or 20-year term, fixed loan second.
So Jen, how do we get a hold of you?
You can call me at 916-240-3578 or call your special realtor here, Tim, and he can get in contact with me.
Or DM me on my page below.